Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've tried to film all weekend and I could not find the time, and finally Sunday afternoon I'm filming. So I'm going to try to get this video up as soon as possible. You guys, I am so stoked. I have a double handbag unboxing. And these brands are two brands that I've never had before, and it's always exciting to find something new. You know, normally I'm unboxing Louis Vuitton or Coach. Those are my two top brands. But these bags that I have to share with you today, I am just so excited about, and Dawn gets the blame for one of them. So I'm not going to tell you which one, but you'll know when you see it. But I'm so excited. I've wanted to do this all weekend, so finally the time has come. I've found a little bit of time. But before we get into the unboxings, I want to start sharing with you products that I really enjoy. I use, this is just Spring Valley, I got it at Walmart, vitamin E oil, okay? So I use this for a lot of different reasons. Sometimes I just put it on my skin because vitamin E is very nourishing to the skin, and I also put it on my arms. I had a biopsy done on this little spot here. While it was healing, I was using this oil, and I also have a condition, you guys, and it's called cheilitis. If you've never heard of it, it's just some kind of a fungal condition, and I have on no makeup at all. You see right here where it's red, right here? I have on some lip gloss because my lips get so dry, but I have this reoccurring condition that comes back, and it will get really dry and cracked, and sometimes the corners of my mouth crack. So I use vitamin E oil, and it really helps a lot, and I'll even put it on my lips and all around my mouth, and it really does help heal. But when I get this, sometimes it just comes and it won't be too bad. And last year I had a really bad bout with it, and it'll even crack, so it's kind of painful. But I love using vitamin E oil on my skin, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So just any kind of little condition, or it's just really good for the skin if you don't have any kind of an issue. But vitamin E oil is something that I always use. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Right, we're gonna get into the unboxing, but I do want to say thank you all for your support on my last video. And I also want to say there's not going to be a part 2. The part 2 is not about the same person. It's about another attack I got on Instagram by 2 YouTubers. But you guys, I'm letting it all go because I think I said what I felt like I needed to say, and I appreciate you guys, the love and the outpouring of support that you gave me. I appreciate it more than I could ever say, and I hope I answered every comment. I tried. But anyway, we're gonna move on, you guys. We're gonna have a lot of positivity on this channel, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get into the first unboxing. So brand new brand to me. I've never had a bag from this brand, and I'm really excited. You guys, I told you that I've been a little out of control this year, and I was gonna try to, you know, pull it together, but hey, I went this far, why not? I got this from Revolve. This is the one that Dawn, she unboxed a bag from this brand, Marge Sherwood, and I loved it, you guys. What is going on with the lighting? Anyway, I loved it. I immediately started looking around, and I found something, and I had to have it, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not the last Marge Sherwood bag that I'm gonna have. I hope I love it as much as I think I'm gonna love it. It's different from anything I've got, so let's go ahead and get it out, and it's in a Marge Sherwood dust bag. Very nice, like that. It is nice when they offer a nice dust bag, especially for bags that cost this much, and this one is nowhere near the cost of a Louis Vuitton bag. It's about equivalent to a Coach bag. All right, I'm excited. Let's turn the camera a bit. Okay, let's pull it out. Oh my goodness, let me look at it. Oh my gosh, it's kind of it's not crinkled, but it kind of has a crinkled, distressed look. I really wouldn't call it crinkled, but it does have kind of a worn in look, and it says Marge Sherwood there on the front. So I just want to read the product details on this bag. I normally don't do it, but this is a new brand. So it is a leather exterior with textile lining, dual top zipper closure, which I love that. I love that, you guys. It has one main compartment, interior slip and zipper pockets, dual shoulder straps, love that. It also has this little snap thing to keep the straps together. You can use it or not, but I don't know. Maybe I will sometimes, maybe I won't. It measures 12.5 inches wide, 7.5 inches high, times 3.5 deep. Shoulder strap with a 10-inch drop. That's perfect. So I think it's a great everyday bag, and we're going on a cruise coming up in October, and this seems like it would be a great bag to take. I'm not sure yet. I haven't really even started, thinking about packing, but it's not, too in your face. I don't like to travel with a lot of really loud luxury, but this is a very luxurious bag. Now, I will tell you, it's a beautiful feel. It's not as soft as like Coach leather, and I was looking because I was trying to find out what kind of leather this is, and it doesn't really say. It just says leather exterior. So let's look at the inside of it. Wow, okay. So yes, it just has a textile lining. I don't think you can see it. It has Marge Sherwood there, just like a little leather patch there. And then it has a very roomy zip pocket. And then it has another pocket trimmed in leather, one big pocket on this side. It's the kind of bag, it's not too deep, so it won't be hard to find your things in it. So, wow, this is, I love it. Love it. Now, Dawn got a black one with the white piping, and I was blown away by it. And I was going to get that one, and then I saw this color, and I thought, I don't have anything anywhere close to this color, and I'm not really a gray bag girl, and this isn't really gray. This is kind of taupe, and I chose this one because it is quite different from anything else I have in my collection. It is a bucket bag. It's very similar to this one. This one. Okay, this is a 22-inch centimeter. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And if you ever get a bucket bag from a non-high-end luxury, you're gonna want to make sure that it is packaged like this, so the bucket is not smashed. So it has a pillow on the inside, because I had gotten one from the TikTok shop and it was smashed. It wasn't the same brand as my orange one up there or the cream one that I had, and it came smashed. But this one, oh my gosh, look at this color. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is impeccable. It has feet. It's the 22-inch centimeter. Let's go ahead and take the pillow out of it. Okay, so I took everything out. Look how beautiful. Here's the front of it. It came with, of course, a little bag to put on the inside, and I'm knocking everything over. And then, of course, this. I'm going to put this on and show you what it looks like. Okay, I got it all fixed up. Bam. How beautiful is this bag? How beautiful is the pebbling on the leather? The hardware is pretty. It's not too yellow. Do a little spin. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. So this is the 22-inch, and this is, I believe, 18-inch. And my little rodeo was made by NAOMI Crafted, and I always put her information in my description box because she can make beautiful bags like this. She can make you little charms like this. She can do anything, you guys, and I need to share with you guys the other bags I have from her. But today is about these beautiful bucket bags. I love, love, love. And I may get a Hermes Twilly or something to put on it. You guys, I sold all my Twillies maybe a couple years ago. and I'm not sure why. So I need to, you know, buy back a few. That's one of my regrets, selling those Twillies. But anyway, guys, this is my other bag. I absolutely love it. I love the small one as well. And these are just great bags. But the star of the show, I think, is the Marge Sherwood. It is beautiful. It does have a good leather smell. It's not really in-your-face leather smell, but it does have a nice smell. It's a beautiful bag. I'm very happy with it. Thank you, Dawn, for sharing your bag with us. And thank you for causing me to be obsessed yet again by something else I don't need. So, guys, that's really all I have for you today. I'll be back in a couple of days. Not sure what I've got coming up, but... Oh, and before I go, this has been my bag of the weekend, you guys. I forgot to show this beauty. Look how beautiful. And I put this Coach Dice charm on it. I just love this bag. I carried it this weekend, but it's not a great shopping bag. We went shopping, I had this bag, and I had to struggle a little. It's a great going out bag, or, you know, it's just not a great everyday bag, but it is a great bag, and I absolutely love it, and I love using her. So anyway, guys, that is all I have for you. I think when I come back, I may have a few items for sale. I don't really have that much stuff, but we'll see. And I hope you guys have a wonderful upcoming week. Take care. Peace.